So I had a rough idle on the car for the past week. I cleaned the PCV valve, I cleaned the EGR valve, and I changed the spark plugs because the spark plugs had about 60,000 miles on them and they were the cheap ones. Still the problem is there. It's not, I haven't fixed it, and finally my check engine light came on. I was able to get a good diagnosis. So what it says is, let me see here, I don't know if you can see that. Basically it's a random misfire in cylinders 1, 3, and 4. So it's probably my ignition coils, which it's definitely my ignition coils, because last time I replaced them with ones from the junkyard. So it's definitely I'm gonna go buy some brand new ones and put those in. I'm buying the cheap ones from China, or whatever, you know, just the cheap ones. And last time I put those in, they only lasted, my car only lasted with those about 60,000 miles. So yeah, but I'm getting it fixed. And I mean, a random misfire, you know, when I say a rough idle, I mean you know, like when I'm at a traffic light, there'll be like a slight misfire and it'll just lose like maybe like 200 RPMs or something.